In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to BambooHR. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type bamboohr.com/login and press enter. This takes you to the official BambooHR login page. Typing the address directly helps you avoid lookalike sites, and you should see the secure lock icon in your browser to confirm you're on a trusted page. On this screen, you'll be asked for your company domain. BambooHR uses a simple format for this. It's your unique company identifier followed by .bamboohr.com. For example, it will look like yourcompany.bamboohr.com. Replace your company with the exact domain your organization uses, paying attention to spelling and punctuation. When you've entered it, click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll see the sign-in fields for your BambooHR account. Enter the email address associated with your BambooHR profile, then type your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check for accidental capitalization and make sure caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill your credentials to reduce typos. Keep your login information private and avoid signing in on shared or public devices whenever possible. Once your email and password are in, click Sign In. If everything matches, you'll be taken straight to your BambooHR dashboard. Depending on your role and permissions, the dashboard may show your personal details, time off balances, upcoming events, or company announcements. If this is your first time logging in on a device, the page may take an extra moment to load. After you're in, consider bookmarking the page so returning later is quicker. If your login doesn't work, don't worry. On the Sign In page, click Forgot Password. Enter the same email you use for BambooHR and submit the request. You'll receive a password reset email with a secure link. Open that message, follow the link promptly, and create a new password you'll remember. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you entered the correct email address. After resetting, return to the sign-in page and try again with your new password. That's all you need to access your BambooHR account. Open the login page, enter your company domain, provide your email and password, and sign in. And if you ever get stuck, the Forgot Password option will get you back on track quickly.